In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process of how to schedule a post on Facebook page. Whether you are busy or you want to post on specific time, you don't need to worry. This is pretty simple. First of all, open your Facebook application and tap on this profile icon. Switch that page on which you want to schedule your post. Like currently, I have selected my business page by the name Haskry US. Then go to your page and tap on this photo icon, and a new window will appear like this. Select your video or a picture you want to schedule, like currently am scheduling a video. From here, edit your video, add texts, add effects if you want. Then type your caption here, what you want. Type about your post or your photo. Then tap on these three dots and add more info if you want. Once everything completed, tap on Next. Here you can see all the post settings that who can see your post, who can comment, scheduling options, or can invite collaborator. Currently, we will schedule our post, so I will click on Scheduling Options, then tap on Schedule for Letter. Here select the date on which you want to schedule your post. Like I'm selecting the 24th of July. Then select the time and go back. Press on Post, and your Facebook post will be scheduled. Once uploaded, we can see it here. In Manage Posts, we can manage it, we can change the date, we can change time here, and can do more settings here as well. There is no worries. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.